What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Superverse, which has pumped up once again 23% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 55 cents. Yes guys, it is getting closer to the dollar mark, so we're going to be looking at how long is it going to take for it to hit the dollar mark, or is it going to crash back down in value. As you guys can see, since early November, for about a month now, since then it has gained a huge amount of value. So we're going to be looking at what is its next target. Is it going to drop back down? Is it going to keep pumping, especially going into 2024? What can we expect from Superverse? And we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you're on a profit right now, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it before it bumps up even higher? And yes guys, it has finally gone into the green zone right now, but is it going to drop back into the red zone, or is it going to keep pumping? We'll have a look at that. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Superverse, which is here in purple at 28 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at nearly 55 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So on the bright side, Bitcoin has finally hit $40,000, which is a huge mark for the crypto market. Bitcoin has pumped up all the way up to 40k, which is amazing news guys. We should see the crypto market moving in a positive direction. Couple of months ago, I did expect Bitcoin to be hitting 40,000 by mid to late December. It did come a little bit earlier than expected, but yeah, it is performing quite well, and I'm expecting it to pump up to about $43,000 early January next year. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the only negative side is that they are looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Superverse to have dropped back down to around 51 to 52 cents in target. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting it to be trading between 51 and 53 cents. But in between that time, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about 57, 58 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. So again, Superverse, Superfarm, what's the difference? Let me just clear that guys. Superfarm has rebranded to Superverse, so that is the difference. Superverse is its new name, but yeah, some exchanges like this one here still have Superfarm, and Coinbase also have Superfarm. They haven't changed it yet. So moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning this is once again not that realistic because they are still looking quite steep. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, early after that, the week late after that, I'm expecting Superfarm to be trading around 58 to 59 cents, so nearly hitting about 60 cents is what I'm expecting Superverse to be trading at in the next week or so. But in between that time, do expect red days as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back down to around 48-50 cents. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, hitting just about 60 cents by the end of next week is what my predictions are on Superverse. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the positive direction. So again, this is not realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, I am expecting Superverse to have dropped back down in value, potentially down to around 20 cents in target. Yes, it may seem like a major drop. However, the amount is gained over the last month is absolutely crazy. So let's go into here. If we look at the monthly chart, it's gained over 550% in the last 4 weeks. So right now the crypto is overvalued and it is likely to drop back down to around 20 cents over the coming weeks. So late December, early January is when I'm expecting it to carry on dropping in value down to 20 cents. So yes, quite of a drop is coming for Superverse over the next 2 to 3 months, I would say. So again, if you're looking to invest into it, I would be careful in the crypto. But again, that's not me trying to scare you guys, it's just me giving you my opinion on what I would personally do. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone. It is likely to drop back down into the red zone and then hit back into the green zone over the coming week. However, as mentioned earlier on, over the next 2 months, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down into the red zone in about the lower part of the red zone here, dropping below 20 cents is what I'm expecting by mid to late January 2024. So yes, guys, do expect the crypto to have dropped back down into the red zone. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone up by 72% in the last 24 hours, making it $121 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. As it is pumping, it's getting a lot more attention right now, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. According to Binance, it is the 3rd top gainer in the last 24 hours. So yes, it is getting a lot more attention, and from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot of people are trading the crypto right now. So for those of you asking me, would I buy it right now? Simple answer is no, I wouldn't. As I mentioned earlier, it is overvalued and I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So there is no point me investing into it, especially that I'm a short-term trader. A long-term trader. I would rather invest into it when it drops back down in value. And for those of you asking, would I sell the crypto right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. For example, if I had $1,000 invested into Superverse, I would probably sell about 50 to 60%. So, and I would only sell it if I was on a profit, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've still got about 40 to 50% of my investment still in Superfarm, which works both ways, and I'll hold on to that for the long term, as I'm expecting it to potentially hit the dollar mark towards the second half of 2024. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Superverse, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.